Welcome. ESVConnect now provides the ability for employers of electrical workers to register in ESVConnect. Employers eligible for registration in ESVConnect fall into one of the categories identified on the screen. The Electricity Safety Act provides the differences between an REC, or registered electrical contractor, and an employer of electrical workers. A person or entity applying for registration as an employer of electrical workers must not carry on, or offer to carry on, or hold out that the person or entity carries on, or is willing to carry on, any class of electrical contracting that under the regulations is a prescribed class of electrical contracting. Terms of employer registration include 5-year registration, renewable 90 days before the expiry date. One business manager must always be available in the employer profile. The employer licensed electrical worker list must also be kept up to date. The Electricity Safety Act requires employers to employ licensed electrical workers to perform electrical work on their sites. Licensed electrical workers nominated to an employer workers list become the responsible person and the licensed worker on each certificate of electrical safety. The Electricity Safety Act defines the licensed worker as the responsible person in this employer situation. Existing ESVConnect account holders can log into ESVConnect using their current login details, then follow the application process available in My Applications. If you do not hold an ESVConnect account or are new to ESVConnect, we will show you how to open an ESVConnect user account. Further information regarding employer registration, electricity safety legislation, certificates of electrical safety, and technical guidance is available on the ESV website. This video will now show you the process to register a user account in ESVConnect. Please navigate to the Energy Save Victoria website at www.esv.vic.gov.au. Click on the grey ESVConnect button that is located at centre right of the ESV website homepage. Click on the ESVConnect button to access the ESVConnect login page. Licence holders and existing users, please enter your current login details and enter ESVConnect. For new users, please click on Register for ESVConnect. On this page, select none of the above option. Click Next. And enter the requested information on the screens that follow and complete your account setup. Once you have finalised your setup, you will receive a verification code that you can then log into ESVConnect and enter, which will then finalise and open your account in ESVConnect. Further information on the account registration process is available on the ESV website, Employers of Electrical Workers information page.